Yes, today we will prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Suppose root 5 represents a rational number. Then root 5 can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p comma q are integers and they will have no common factors. Then q is not equal to 0. Uh, is equal to root 5 is equal to p by q. Now we will squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then we will get 5 is equal to p square by q square. If square will come here, then root will go here. From here, root will go. Then we will get p square is equal to 5q square. The p square will come here and 5 will go there. That's right hand side. Then we will take this as equation 1. Now then p square is equal to 5q square. Then 5 divides p square. Then 5 also divides p. Then we can understand 5 can divisible by p. Then take this as equation 2. We can understand p can divisible by 5. Now we will check for q. Let p is equal to 5m. Then p square is equal to 25m square. Therefore, m is belongs to z. Putting the value of p square in equation 1 from here. Then we get 25m square is equal to 5q square. We will keep this 25m square here from equation 1, 5q square. Then 5 here, 5m square is equal to q square. We will cancel 5 ones, 5 5s, 25. Then 5m square, 1 q square. Here 5 divides q square. Then 5 also divides q. Thus from equation 2, 5 divides p. From equation 3 also 5 also divides q. It means 5 is a common factor of p and q. Then this contradicts the supposition, so there is a common factor of p and q. Hence, prove root 5 is a irrational number. See.